Hey everybody, this is Bo's Garage here back with another auto sales video. We have today, I've just sold a brand new to our customer 2015 all-wheel drive Jeep Wrangler. Now I know I used to rag on Jeeps in the past, but this one makes me want to buy one. But let's hear from the new owner of this. Hey guys, this is Bo's Garage and Emporium. I wanted to tell you about my new partnership with Grody Automotive. As you can see on your screen, I'm partnered with them now, and I'm running a discount. Giving me 3 referrals gets you in a Bo's Garage and Emporium episode. Not to mention, anyone you refer to me gets a discount, and the first person you refer to me, you get a check for $200. And it goes up by $50 every time with no cap on it. Thanks to Grody for partnering with me. Now back to the video. Alrighty, just like I said, here is the owner of her brand new 2015 Jeep Wrangler. This is Rebecca. So Rebecca, would you recommend people come and talk to me and see if I can't help them the same way I did you?
Yes, I would.
Perfect. Not to mention, Rebecca, all of the people who you refer to me get a discount, and you get a check for $200 in the mail. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is the deal that I've made with Grody, as we're now sponsored. So anything else to say?
Come down at a good experience, and they're friendly, and yeah.
Alrighty. Have a wonderful day, everybody.